Alright, today I'm going to show you something I honestly didn't expect to happen this soon. Nano Banana Pro is finally here. Nano Banana Pro is insanely powerful when it comes to text rendering. Let me show you. I uploaded this image and used the prompt. Create an infographic about this plant, focusing on interesting information. And just look at this, it generated a super clean infographic. The text is sharp, accurate, no spelling mistakes, no pixelation, nothing. What's cool is that Nano Banana Pro actually goes through a full thinking process before generating the image. In this example, if you pay attention, it first analyzed the leaf pattern, then figured out its origin and habitat, gathered all the key details, and turned everything into a perfect infographic. Pretty amazing, right? And that's not all. Nano Banana Pro can even translate any text into another language while keeping the exact same style and details intact. You can generate an entire storyboard from a single prompt, with perfectly consistent characters across every frame. You can tweak the lighting, switch up the style modes, and the best part, you can render everything in full 4K. So your images come out insanely sharp, super clean, and absolutely high quality. Let me show you a quick example. I took this regular image and used a simple prompt, replaced the volumetric lighting with bokeh. And just look at the result, the lighting shifted beautifully. This was rendered in full 4K, so you can see how insanely sharp and high quality the output is. The texture, the details, the character consistency, everything looks absolutely next level. To use Nano Banana Pro, just head over to the Higgsfield website. I'll drop the link down in the description. And here's the cool part, Higgsfield is currently running a massive 65% off deal, but it's only available for one more day. If you grab any of their plans, Creator, Ultimate, or Pro, you'll get full, unlimited access to Nano Banana Pro for an entire 365 days. No credit limits, no restrictions, you can use Nano Banana Pro as much as you want for a whole year. To start using Nano Banana on Higgsfield, just head over to the image section and select Nano Banana Pro. You'll see multiple aspect ratios you can choose from for generating or editing your images. Plus, you can create in 1K, 2K, and even ultra-sharp 4K quality. If you're on the Ultimate or Creator plan, you'll get unlimited generations. And even if you're on the free plan, Higgsfield still gives you a few free daily runs, so you can try Nano Banana absolutely free. Now, there are many use cases for this tool, but let me show you the one I personally love the most. Here, I'm giving a simple prompt, generate 8 scenes based on this short story. Then I asked ChatGPT to create an 8-scene short story. I'll copy that story, paste it after my prompt, and click generate. And voila, Nano Banana instantly created all 8 scenes from the story. You can see the character stays consistent, and each scene perfectly matches the storyline. This honestly blows my mind. Here's another example. I uploaded an image of Oppenheimer as a reference while keeping the rest of the prompt exactly the same. And as soon as I hit generate, Nano Banana produced all 8 scenes with Oppenheimer's face, still fully consistent, still perfectly aligned with the story. Amazing, right? It's basically the perfect tool for generating storyboards. With Nano Banana Pro, you can upload up to 14 reference images at once, and then tell it to combine everything into one single image using a simple prompt. So in this example, I'm uploading 7 different fashion and lifestyle product photos, including one of Elon Musk. After that, I'll just type my prompt, hit generate, and look at this. Nano Banana blends all the images together perfectly into one clean, high-quality result. The character consistency is absolutely next level. Honestly, no other AI generator even comes close. Nano Banana is insanely powerful. You can generate almost any type of image with it. Here's an example. I uploaded an image with 2 women and a man. Then I added another reference image of Elon Musk. In the prompt, I just wrote, swap the character in the middle of the 2 girls with the attached man wearing a hat. Now click generate, and look at this. Nano Banana swapped the character perfectly. What's even more impressive is that both women stayed exactly the same as in the original reference image. Seriously, this is next level AI. Swapping characters flawlessly like this is mind-blowing. With Nano Banana, you can literally replace any text in an image while keeping the style, design, color, and font completely intact. For example, I typed the prompt, replace text 5 December with aixenzia, and just look at this, it changed the text perfectly. You could use this to make some really eye-catching and professional-looking YouTube thumbnails in seconds. With Nano Banana, you can even create images of famous personalities effortlessly. For example, I typed the prompt, make a screenshot of Mark Zuckerberg's Spotify hip-hop album page. Then I did another prompt for Donald Trump. Make a screenshot of Donald Trump's Spotify hip-hop album page. And just look at this, Nano Banana Pro generated both images flawlessly. With Nano Banana Pro, you can even create images of any place in the world just by entering its coordinates. For example, I generated this Eiffel Tower picture by simply dropping in its coordinates and using the prompt. create a photorealistic image of the location at these coordinates. After that, I generated an image of the Statue of Liberty using nothing but its coordinates. Then I tried the Great Wall of China, and for the third test, I used the coordinates of the Pyramids of Giza, and Nano Banana Pro nailed every single one of them. This really shows how insane this model is. It uses Gemini 3 to figure out the exact location and then creates a photorealistic image based on it. Absolutely crazy. And if you run a brand, or you just want to promote a product in a creative, eye-catchy way, Nano Banana Pro makes it insanely easy. Just type in a clear prompt, hit generate, and bam! Your full set of promotional visuals is ready in seconds. Think about it, a designer would spend hours creating something like this, but with Nano Banana Pro, you get professional level results instantly. It's a total game changer. You can try Nano Banana Pro completely free on the Higgsfield website, and honestly, Higgsfield is like the ultimate all-in-one AI platform. For images, you get some of the best models out there, Dream 4, Nano Banana Pro, and Higgsfield Popcorn. For videos, you get top-tier generators like Sora 2, WAN 2.5, VO 3.1, and Seedance Pro. And if you're on a paid plan, you can create unlimited images and unlimited videos. And it doesn't stop there, Higgsfield also gives you face swap tools, plus next-level lip-sync models like Kling Speak. The link is in the description, so definitely check it out and give it a try. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.